Okay, you're given the function f of x equals e to the 3x plus 2x, and you're told that delta x or dx is 0.02, and you're supposed to find values for dy and delta y. For purposes of illustration, on this page, I've set delta x or dx equal to 0.2 so that you can see more of what's going on in the graph. Okay. If we focus on just the red curve, which is the original function, the change in y, delta y, is this change right here from f of 0, which is a 1, up to f of 0.2, which is 2.221, approximately. So delta y would be this value right here, 2.2221 minus 1. Now, if we could get the slope of that tangent line, by the way, so let's make this clear. This is dy, or this is delta y right here. Change in y as far as the function goes. If we get the slope of this tangent line, and actually we could write the equation of that tangent line, the slope is the change in y over the change in x, but to differentiate between delta y and dy, we use those little differentials. So the slope of that green dashed line is dy over dx, which is what this is right here, the derivative of f of x. And so dy, well, here's f prime of 0. Slope of that green tangent line is 5. So it must be true that dy over dx equals 5. But we know that dx is, for purposes of illustration, is 0.2. So that's 5 times 0.2, which just is 0.1. So there's the comparison between delta y and dy, 0.222 error. Now, if we replace delta x with 0.02, the approximation is much closer. Okay, 0.10183 for the change in y, and dy is a close approximation for delta y. The smaller delta x is, or the smaller dx is, the closer this approximation will be. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.